platform that redefines the way we buy, sell, and convert properties, making sustainable living smarter. This is Greenify AI. Why does this matter? Because your choices today shape a better tomorrow. Our advanced suggester provides personalized insights to enhance your property's sustainability. From energy efficiency to eco-friendly upgrades, get actionable recommendations validated by experts. And with the Advisor module, get expert guidance for impactful, eco-friendly decisions, turning knowledge into sustainable living. The Contractor Dashboard empowers professionals to list services, helping users create sustainable homes. The Agent Dashboard connects buyers and sellers seamlessly, validating plans and offering tailored property recommendations. With our preference search, prioritize features that matter most to you, aligning with your sustainability goals. Ready to transform your property journey with intelligence and sustainability? Join Greenify AI today. Shape your future. Shape the planet.